Hi there, welcome back to the channel. It's actually been a while since we've talked about the MGB GT, so I thought I'd give you a quick little update. So a couple things. First of all, we decided not to go as a headliner, but when we bought the panel kit, there was nothing for the back, so we decided to make our own little panels for the back where normally would be the headliner. Just check it out real quick. So basically I ended up putting a piece of cardboard in here and came up with a pattern, and then transferred that over to, I think it was some like 1/8-inch plywood. I actually put a pretty decent kind of a groove in the plywood here to allow this to bend. And then we ordered some more of the honey tan nylon / leather from Moss and put them in. And quite frankly, I like the way they came out. So they actually came out quite nice. Now, you may be asking, what the heck is this thing right here, right? Well, funnily enough, I had the same question for quite a long time. It's like, what the heck is this thing? This car has been just as much about the rebuild as kind of detective work, since when we bought it, it was missing a bunch of parts, but then there were also some other parts I had no idea what they were for. So I had actually been for a long time wondering what the heck this is. Well, mystery solved. If we go over here to the passenger side, and get my intrepid camera person to come over, you can see that there is a little header back here, which basically allows the door seal to kind of back up against, which makes a lot of sense because when I first installed the door seals, I'm like, okay, there is like some kind of a suede-ish feel on this side, and there was nothing for it to back up against. So yeah, so that actually looks pretty nice. And so finally, two things. First of all, it solved one of my problems. And second of all, I now know exactly what the heck this piece was for. So other than that, we have successfully managed to get rid of quite a few pretty nasty rattles on the car. As to the point of distraction, we were able to resolve our handbrake issue. That in itself was kind of quite the story. But that may be a story for another time. And my wife, Kathy, who's also our cameraman, actually got to drive the car for the first time. So that's been pretty exciting. So again, just a quick little update on the MGs. What's left to be done is a couple things. We still have a pretty ugly bumper over here that, as you can tell, we still have the tow bar attachments. And unfortunately, I think the bumper is toast because they drilled a hole through the bumper and it's kind of in pretty bad shape. I am finally feeling pretty comfortable about the vehicle to not to have to worry about having the tow bar attached anymore. So my thought is I'm either going to buy the Sebring valance that goes in front or just another chrome bumper, but that's TBD. And then the other issue is that on our windshield that we still have to resolve, there's a chrome trim that belongs in here. And Kathy and I tried like the dickens to get it in there. And all we managed to do was pretty much upset some of the rubber steel over here. So yeah, I'm not sure what to do about that. I mean, we looked at videos, we looked online, and getting it started was literally, breaking this little rubber seal was almost impossible. And then even when I'm looking at it, the gaps that we have in here are in some cases, less than the actual width of the trim. So that's a TBD. So don't know about that. I do have the windshield wipers. Have not installed them yet. I was waiting to get the trim installed first. But in this case, in this particular instance, I may just go ahead and install them anyway. So anyway, super quick video. Just wanted to kind of check in with everybody and let them know where the MGB GT was. At least it's in good driving condition now. It's been fun to drive, especially after all the rattles. The only other weird thing going on is that we have the aftermarket seatbelts that we bought were the seatbelts of death. I mean, these guys, when you strap them on, I mean, they about choke you. They're so tight. So, but anyway, no, it's been good. It's been fun. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments down below. Other than that, I hope you enjoy this. If you want to see additional content like this, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Thank you. We'll see you next time. This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.